Good morning, friends. This is Sanjeev, your trusted realtor from Central Florida, doing another showcase of a property in Haines City. The weather outside is very sunny. It's about 76 degrees, and we are on Route 27 now. This is the community, Calabay Crossing. This is the property at 554 Pawnee. So this property is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 2,182 square feet, and now we are walking inside the main home. Stepping inside the property, we see this alley which takes you into the living room and kitchen, and on the left hand side are the 2 rooms here and a bathroom. This is room number 3, which has a view outside. This one has carpets here, closet. Walking outside into the full bath, second full bath, which has a tub, a sink, shower. Going to room number 2. This also has carpet. So now we're going to walk into the room number 4 here. This one has a fan, carpet here. On the right hand side is the laundry room. The air handler for the AC. And on the side is the garage. Coming back into the alley, going into the kitchen area here. This is the living room. Tiles here, and this is the dining area. That is the entrance we just came here, and now we see these 42-inch cabinets, cooktop, microwave, dishwasher, 2 sinks, and this is the view from the kitchen of the living room and the family room. Walking into the master bedroom, which is pretty large. I think it's about 15 by 15. Tray ceilings with a fan. A lot of space here, even after you put your queen size bed. Walk-in closet. Walking to the master bathroom here. There's a linen closet right on the right hand side. His and her sink, tub, and the shower. Stand-up shower here. Going back into the master bedroom. Coming back into the kitchen area here. Walking through the family room into the back porch, which is screened. Walking Walking back into the backyard. This is a fence of the neighbors. And this is the backyard here. The back elevation of the property. Coming back into the living room. Walking back outside into the sunny Florida. One more time. The front elevation of the property. One more time. This is Sanjeev, your trusted realtor from Central Florida. 73999. Please give me a call. Thanks. Bye bye. And have a great day.